So today I wanted to do a quick follow-up on my Yashica Mat 124G. I sent this in for repair a few weeks ago and it's so much easier to use. The shutter also was one big problem on this. When I was using this before, I would only get 5 images out of what I'm supposed to get as 12. And so now that this has been completely overhauled, I'm getting all my images. And I took this to Winchester Bay down here in Oregon where I went camping, and it was a lot of fun to use. So this is kind of what I got. Riley.
Over to it, right side, another path to
It's really nice, really easy to use. One of the other things that I really like is that the light meter was also fixed too. And so the light meter works, and I've tested it out on every single shot, and it reads perfectly fine. And it's a really easy one to use. That's about everything I have for you guys today. In the future, I will have a full video on my dunes trip. I brought 3 cameras down with me, including my Super 8 camera, and I shot 2 rolls. So I will have more on that later. I just have to send those in to get developed. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. My name's Spencer Bacon, and keep shooting film.